Hey guys, Don, welcome to today. We are showing you how to get, how to make it so you can use a controller on Minecraft Java. So I talked about this in our Star Wars video yesterday. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how to get it right now. So the first thing is for you to go to Google and type in keysticks, and then you just click this first one, or go to keysticks.net, and then on the right there's this download thing right here, and then it should just download it. And then you go through the setup, and then when you open it, you'll have something like this down here. And then, so I already have it set up, but so what you do is you just right click anywhere on it, click edit this profile, and then you can close out of this controller thing here. And then if you show your taskbar, you can just do that. And then you can just, so for the left stick, you want to make it WASD. This is like how the console versions are. So you just right click it, click combination WASD, and then there it is. It changes to WASD, so then you can move around. So like for example, let me plug in my controller. You can just move the joystick around and it'll do WASD and stuff. Like I'm not pressing the keys. And then on here you want to make the jump button A. So you just right click it, do hold key, other key, space, and then A or whatever. And then here on console the drop button is B. So you just change it to whatever your drop button is. In my case it's Q. So you just do letter key Q, and then OK. And you know, some people like to use X for something else. I don't, but yeah. And this, I actually need to set this to escape. So type key, other key, escape, and then OK. And then that just doesn't really matter. So Y is E on console, so you would just do type key, letter key, E. And then I just set this to E because it's like crafting on console, but there's no like, crafting thing. And then for this, you want it to do the mouse wheel down because the right, like mouse wheel down moves it to the right, and then mouse bumper, the bumpers move the, things around. And then that one's mouse wheel up. So then this one would be for the left click because on console, right trigger is to punch and stuff, and then right trigger is to punch and stuff. Left trigger would be to like use stuff and interact. And then these doesn't matter. I just change them to the arrow key. And then you want to be able to move around your cursor with this, and when you press it in, it'll shift like this. Let me see. So what you gotta do is you gotta right click it, click edit actions, and this thing will pop up. So there's one called control the mouse pointer when it's moved. I can actually remove one of these. And then so you just gotta add this, and then do control the pointer, and then go to press, and then also click update, and then go to pressed up here. Click add, toggle key, left shift, or whatever you have as your shift key, or I mean your sneak key. And then you just click update, and then you go here, apply, OK, and then it's just running in the background. You can open it like this with the arrow key at the top, and there are all these things. You can, I don't know. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna plug in my controller, and then you can just play. Oh, also, what a lot of people like, this is how it is on console. So you could do edit this profile, and then you make so you can move it around and stuff. And then you want to make it so this can click stuff. You gotta go to custom actions, and then wait, no. You want to go to edit, and then you just want to go to press, click add add, um, and then it'll type text. No, it won't type text. It will type key, and then you want it to be F5, or if you have another button for toggle perspective, your toggle perspective button, F5, and then you would want to click update, and then yeah, and then you could just minimize or whatever, and you press in on the left stick. It did not work. Oh, I didn't press apply. You gotta click apply, and then you can change your F5 just like this, and then you can punch, you know, interact with things. I'll help it with this little controller thing on the top. Don't worry about that. And so I'm using an Xbox controller right now, but for a PS4 controller, I'll show you how to do that in 1 second. So you type in DS4 Windows, and then you just click this, and then you would download it. It would bring you to a GitHub, whatever. You just come down here, download the zip, and then I don't know if it just gives you an exe or what, but you open it right here, and then it's right here. So you gotta plug in your PS4 controller. I'll do that now. And then it should just, so what it does is it acts as an Xbox 360 controller. The PS4 controller will turn blue as if it's connected to a PS4, because otherwise the PS4 controllers won't work. And then you can just use it just like you could use the Xbox controller. So we're gonna do a couple games of Skywars in just a second. So like, even so, like if you have keystrokes, it'll do it like this, and it'll show your CPS on both. So yeah, let's get right into a Skywars game. Okay, so if you didn't care about like playing Skywars or anything, you can just click off. I'm only gonna play a little bit of Skywars in this video because I'm gonna do a whole nother video playing, you know, Hypixel with it. So if you want to see that, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe and turn on notifications. So yeah, then you can just play Skywars, and you can activate the shift, and then to shift click, you can do it like that. Then you just gotta press it again, so otherwise it'll, you know, keep you shifting whenever you get out of the menu. I'm not good at Skywars normally, but you know, I know a lot of people like are like switch from Xbox to, or you know, not Xbox specifically, from console to PC, and then they want to use a controller. Okay, well, and also if you didn't set the escape key like this, you can just use the inventory key, Y or triangle, I guess in this case. So, and for key sticks, it doesn't matter what controller you use. Just for PlayStation controllers, you'll need an app. I don't know if there's DS3 Windows. Might have to Google that. But for a DualShock 4, you do, you know, what I did. So then you can just go into another game. Oh, by the way, if you want to like click things on your computer, you can just press right trigger and it'll click, because that's just how it is. And here's the DS4 Windows. You know how it is. Escape. There we go. So I'm not good at Skywars with a keyboard and mouse, so I'm definitely not any better with a controller. I make ranked Skywars videos if you are just, you know, trying to figure out how to do this and you found my video. I know a lot of people have made this in the past, but a lot of people that I know even are probably like getting Java and then they want to use a controller. So yeah, this is how you do it. I'm not good at Skywars normally. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to, you know, do decent. I have my keyboard in front of me, so I have a hotkey to go into different games, but yeah, this is basically just how you do it. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, that's pretty much the whole video. So make sure to like if you liked it, subscribe, turn on notifications so you can watch my other videos. So tomorrow, or probably later today for you, I'm gonna be doing just playing Hypixel with this, so like a whole video on that. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. See you guys in the next video. Peace.